Hi YouTube again, it's me the dog. We are heading down Washington Avenue in Endicott because we're on our way to get a microwave. As I said in my last video, Jennifer broke the last one. She was using it for some reason. Well, there's a church right there.
Shut up, I didn't break it.
And anyways, our DMV right just over there. But this is the business section of Endicott. A lot of business through here, more than I could probably count on my hand, more than I could remember off the top of my head. But anyways, we're heading down McKinley Ave. This is nice. Little village. Like I said, we gotta go get a microwave. The girls got one off Craigslist. So if anybody ever used it, it's huge. I'm sure they got one near your town or city. Probably listed under your city or town. Red light. I'm going right. Way over there. That's Price Chopper Plaza.
I ain't going red, go on this, right?
You can go right on red, yes. Over there, CBS, behind that Price Chopper. I don't know who that dude was that Jennifer's driving. This here, coming up, it's all IBM. IBM, Geodis, and Endicott Interconnect. It's 3 companies in one. And I work through Manpower for them. Manpower is contracted by Endicott.
Daddy, there's your work.
Very good, yes. That building back there. Sorry guys, my building there. That's my work. I work there.
It's closed.
And I work in this. That's one of the buildings I'll go in. I go in this one. Over there, that's Endicott Interconnect. That's a night shift building. It's never open whenever I go to work. Say hi, Jennifer. Anyways, there's the original building way down there. Maybe I can get a good look at it, get a shot of it. Inside of it says International. Well, it says it should say International Business Machines. That was the first building ever that IBM built and worked out of. Now they branched out and they're huge. You also got this here. That's an IBM building plus a catering center. This is McKinley Avenue. We're heading to get a microwave. She lives, well, yeah, Caden's great aunt Sue lives up here, a couple streets over. Does she live on Squires or she live on Oak Hill?
Rubble.
Which one?
Rubble Ave.
Okay, Rubble Ave. My bad. Anyways, we're gonna go straight up here. Yeah, you see those a lot there. We went going under. Those are walking bridges that connect IBM. All the different buildings have them. And they connect them. Up here where we're going into is a part of Endicott known as the Little Italy. Because it's heavily Italian. Got a lot of Italian restaurants. My favorite being Joey's. Joey's Pizza. It's probably the only brick oven pizza in Central New York. We're in the 100s. We're looking for 1006.
I'm not even looking for it. You are.
Well, we're in the 100s, so we got to keep going.
Oh, I thought you said you found it.
Now, what is A? I found it. Anyways, guys, pardon my shaky hand. You know, this is part of I've never been up. But like I said, this is all Italian. It's all Little Italy of Endicott. Like I said, we're following. Hey, anybody got Verizon? We're following a Verizon van. Our North McKinley. We got to get there by 4:45.
3.
4:45. I don't know what time it is. Keep going straight. We're only in the 300s. Now we're heading up from the past Little Italy. Now we're heading into the Highland Park district. Highland Park is nice. Over there you got a road, a lot of hills. Up there you got a lot of hills. This part of Endicott was pretty cool. I like it. It's very hilly. I mean, a lot of the houses are on hills. Jennifer can't stand hills, can you, Jennifer? Anyways, one thing I like about this camera, guys, I put it on the tripod. I slide the legs all the way up to the shortest distance and hold the 3 legs together, and I got a handle. And it's a lot steadier than me putting my hand in the hand cusp on the side.
Daddy, put it in the
1607, we passed it.
Daddy.
Come on, Robert.
Oh, I'm sorry. We gotta turn around.
Did you do it in the sky?
I can turn where I can.
Oh.
Turn right out here.
Yeah, you can turn around right here. We're turning around Ethel Street. Anybody know anybody named Ethel? I don't know any Ethels. I pretend not to know any Ethels. Ethel Moran, she talk like that. Oh, bye, boys. Sorry. Anybody who's old knows Ethel Merman. I don't.
Okay, you gotta help me find 1006.
Okay, there's 1700. That's pretty cool. That's the first digital house number I've ever seen in my life. Well, we're in the 1600s, so it means we gotta keep going.
1006.
I know that, but we're in the 1600s. We're not in the 1000s. It means we gotta keep going straight. There's 1605, so we gotta find 1006. McKinley Avenue. Oh, McKinley. Anyways, guys,
What's these?
that's 417.
And which one did I turn?
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this. I'll be back in a few minutes.